Hello everyone, it's Corinne, and I am actually going to be talking about how to do math on the BrailleNote Touch Plus. So for those of you that don't know what the BrailleNote Touch Plus is, it's a tablet that was actually designed for blind users, and it was designed by Humanware. And the cool thing about it is it's on the top here, it's got a Braille keyboard so you can actually type in Braille. And on the bottom, it is a Braille display so that the blind user can read what's on the screen. So when I flip up the keyboard, there's actually a tablet screen underneath so that the sighted person can see what the blind user is doing. And I know you guys can't see it right now, but I will post a picture of it at the end of the video. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. So what I'm going to be talking about today is actually for blind teachers. How do we create, if we want to, math worksheets on this device for our students and make them look good and accessible to all of us, actually. So that's my topic for today. I'm really excited about it, so I'm going to go ahead and get started. So I'm pressing the round home button that's on the bottom of the device in the middle.
Landscape.
And now I'm going into my main menu. So on my main menu here, I have contacts,
Email. Contacts. Email. Internet. Chrome.
Play Store,
Word processor. Keyword. Planner.
Planner.
File
Manager,
Key file. Calculator. Easy Reader Plus.
Easy Reader, which is an app for reading books,
KNFB Reader.
and actually with that app I can take a picture of a document and it'll scan it and read it to me what the print document says. Braille Terminal, which is something that we can hook up to our iPhone, use to hook it up.
All applications.
And then all applications. So I'm going to actually hit W.
Word
And
processor.
go back up here to Word Processor, and I'm going to hit Enter.
Create.
Create, open, print, emboss,
Emboss.
in Braille, which I can do, or settings. So for this time, I want to go ahead and create a document.
Create.
And then I'm going to hit Enter. So now I am in a complete blank document. And so I want to go ahead and create a math worksheet for maybe an elementary student. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually center the title of my worksheet. So it's Enter with C, so Enter with dots 1, 4.
Center aligned.
So now it says Center aligned, and I'm going to type math
A dots 1. Dot 5. W dots 1. 4. 6. T. Worksheet.
number 1.
Dot A. 1.
And now let's say I'm
Center
done, and now
align.
I want to align it left again.
Center align. Delete.
And now I want to add directions.
Dot D. I. R. E. C. T. I. O. N. S. Directions. Dot 6.
Please
P. L. Dot 2. F. E.
Answer.
A. N. S. Double dots 1. 2. 4. 5. 6.
I'm typing in Braille, but it's
Answer.
showing up in print. You can see it in Braille and in print. Each question.
E. A. C. H. Dot 5. Q. Dots 2. 5. 6.
I'm going to skip 2
Question.
lines
End of document.
and hit number 1.
A. Dots 2.
Now I'm actually ready to type math. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the math editor that's on the BrailleNote. So I'm going to do that by hitting the backspace with M. So backspace dots 1, 3, and 4. And it didn't say it, but on this Braille display here it says Nemeth mode. So that means I can type in math Braille for Nemeth. So let's see, if I'm going to be teaching elementary, maybe we'll do a multiplication problem. So let's do
Dots 3. 4.
2
Dots
times,
1.
and I'm writing this
6.
completely in Braille, so for those of you that can see, right now it's showing up in Braille. 2 times
Dots 3.
4
Dot Braille space.
equals,
Dot Braille space.
and then there's my problem. And then what I do, and what's cool for this, is I'm going to go ahead and hit backspace with E, so backspace with dots 1, 5. And, okay, on the Braille display, I don't know why I didn't say it, but it says move to clipboard. And you might be able to see it for those of you that can see on the screen. So now I'm going to paste what I wrote in my word processor document. So I'm going to hit backspace with V or backspace with dots 1, 2, 3, 6. And I pasted the math in there, so that's my problem for number 1. For those of you, you guys can see it now in print, the math work. And what's also cool about this
Braille space deleted.
is even though it's an image and that's represented for us as a Braille user on this document, but we can still feel it in Braille. So if we want to go over the worksheet with our students, we can. So I'm going to do 2 more.
End of document.
So I'm going to do number 2.
2.
I'm going to go to the next line.
End of doc.
And now I'm going to do backspace with M again to get back into the math editor. So backspace with dots 1, 3, 4. And I'm going to say, let's do 1/3 plus 3/8. So
Dots 1.
I'm typing this completely in Braille. So I'm doing an opening fraction bar 1,
Dots
1/3
3, 4,
plus
dot
3/8
dots, Braille space,
equals.
Braille space.
And again, I'm going to backspace with dots 1, 5, and it moves it. It said please wait. Now move to clipboard. And then I hit backspace with dots 1, 2, 3, 6.
End of document.
And I'm going to do one, actually I'll do, let's see. I will do
Dots
2
2,
more. So now I'm going to do a long
6,
division problem.
3.
Oops. Okay, now I hit backspace with dots 1, 2, 3, or 1, 3, 4 again, and I'm back in the math editor. So I can type in Nemeth Braille. So let's say we have,
Dots 3.
we'll do long division. Let's do 250
Dots 3,
divided by
dots 3, 4.
6
Braille dots 4, 6.
equals, and then backspace with dots 1, 5, exports it. And then I hit dots 1, 2, 3, 6 with the backspace key. And then I'm going to do one
End
more.
of dots
So number 4.
dots 2. End of document. Selection
I forgot to
cleared.
put a new line.
3.
Okay, and then I'm going to do, let's see. I'll do an algebra, a pre-algebra one really quick for those of you that are teaching older students. So let's say I want to do 2x
Dots 3,
plus
4.
5
Braille dot
equals
K.
15.
Dots 2, 6.
So in Braille, I can see this, or those of you that are sighted can see this on the screen, and then I can feel it in Braille here on the Braille display. So now that I'm done, I can backspace with dots 1, 5. It says move to clipboard, and now I am back in my word processor document. So now I'm going to hit backspace with dots 1, 2, 3, 6, and there it is in Braille and in print. So that is it for today. I really hope that you've enjoyed this video.